What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be cleaning the ink off of my screens and getting my screens ready to go to the washout booth so that I can wash them tomorrow. So if you guys want to see how I do everything, just stay tuned. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is put on my gloves, and I keep my gloves right over here. So just grab a couple of gloves, and these are the gloves that I've been using lately. They are Members Mark gloves from the Sam's Club, and I have also used those, but these, they don't work as well because I don't know what the deal is with them, but I usually end up getting ink on my hands somehow. So I try to stick with these, and these are the towels that I'm using. They're the Kimberly-Clark Wipe All X60 towels. And I like using these towels because they are very absorbent. Really recommend these towels. They are some good towels. They make cleanup really easy and quick. I'll leave a link down for you guys below if you're interested in them. Okay, and the chemicals that I'm going to be using today, right here, this is Pro Wash, and I use it to clean the Plastisol ink out of my screens, and it's by the company Core Chem right here. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but I'll try to leave a link below for you guys, and it works pretty well. And another ink product I'm going to be using is right here. This is the Cami 480 screen opener. The Cami 480 screen opener. And I use this mostly when I have thicker inks because it makes cleanup of the thicker inks a little bit easier. So let me see what I'm going to do first. Now, some of the inks that I use are opaque inks, which are like right here I have the red, I have the white, and I have like a glitter gray. So those inks are a little bit thicker and a little bit harder to clean up. So the first ink that I'm going to clean out is going to be the black because it's a little easier. So I'm going to go and grab my trash can and bring it over close to me so I won't have to run back and forth.
Chuki Beats. Chuki Beats.
A quick tip while I'm letting that white ink sit for a minute. If you spray your screen wash and you let it sit for a little bit, it'll kind of, I guess, start breaking up the ink or breaking down the ink, and it'll make it a little bit easier for you to clean the screen. I like to do that with the white. And another thing is I like to switch my gloves out in between colors, especially if I'm going from like a dark color to a white or something like that. I like to switch the gloves out in between each color to make sure that I don't get any ink contamination when I'm removing the ink from the screen and putting it back into the container. So that's just a couple of quick tips. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back to cleaning this ink up.
The closer you got to me, the faster I try to leave. Like a mirage, like a mirage. The stars that you don't like me, on my arms I appear empty. Like a mirage, like a mirage.
That's about all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions, leave them below. If you are interested in any of the products I use in the video, I'll leave links for you down below in the description box. If this video helped you, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe, because I do videos like this each week. And I will see you guys in the next video. Prince Squad out.